Go. Hi there and welcome. It's Tracy at stampwithtracy.com, and today we're going to make this little box, and inside there's a Hershey marshmallow heart. I've made this one using both of them actually. Use the All My Love Designer Series paper, and we're going to make this one. And I'll tell you more about this at the end of the video. So we're going to start with a piece of lovely lipstick that measures 5.5 by 6.5. And the very important thing to remember when you're making a box is that you want to cut a smidge off of two connecting sides. And you'll need, let me show you, I can't pick it up there. This is how much I cut off. If you don't cut enough, then the box is just a little bit difficult to get on. And if you don't do it at all, it's not going to fit. The cover's not going to fit on top. Now this one I probably didn't cut enough off, and it goes in just a little bit. I don't even know if you can see that. I mean, it's still perfectly fine, but you know, if they try to put the cover back on, it'll be hard. Okay, so 5.5 by 6.5, and then we're using the Designer Series paper, and this is 5 inches by 6 inches. And we're going to bring in the paper trimmer, do a little bit of scoring. Go ahead and do the top of the box first. We're going to score at 3/4 on all 4 sides. And then we'll bring in our lovely lipstick cardstock, and this is going to be scored at 1 inch. 1 inch on all 4 sides. Now we're going to go ahead and just do some trimming, and we're going to basically do them exactly the same. We're going to cut up on this score line up to that score line. And one thing when you're making boxes is if I'm going to cut here, then when I turn it around, I don't want to then cut here and here. All right, so we'll go ahead and cut here. And then we're just going to trim a little bit right here. It just makes the box look a little neater when it comes together. So we'll cut here. And we're going to go to the opposite side and do the same thing. And we'll do the exact same thing on the top of the box. Do a little bit more. Okay, same thing on this one. Up to that score line, cut a little notch. Up to the score line, cut a little notch. I'll turn it around. Now, because this design is going up and down, I did the box going this way, and then this one, I could do it either, so I did it going sideways. It all depends on what your design is. Okay. Now I'm going to use some tear and tape. Actually, first I'm going to bring in my bone folder and burnish all those score lines. Piece there. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Oops, watch what I'm doing. And then we're going to add tear and tape, and when we do that, we're going to do it to the outside of each piece. And one more. Okay, so we're going to turn both of these over, and we're going to add tear and tape to the flaps here. Now, I tried using glue dots the other day, and it wasn't a good idea. The tear and tape is the best. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add the tear and tape to all of the flaps, and then I'll be back. I went ahead and put all of my tear and tape on, and I've taken it off here. So now on this part, I'm just going to go ahead and take the liner off, and then we'll assemble our box. If the liner won't come up, then just press it down and you should be able to get it off there. All right, now we're going to bring up the sides. So we're just going to fold this in and bring it up. And because we cut that little notch, you can't see any paper up here. Do the same thing here. And there's our bottom of the box, and we'll put our little treat in there. And you really kind of have to just make a few boxes and see how much to take off when you're doing the bottom of the box, that little smidge that I said to take off. Okay, now we'll put the lid on and hope it all fits. Yes. Sometimes there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do our sentiment. I'm using the stamp Treat Yourself from Picture Perfect Birthday. We're going to use lovely lipstick and some Whisper White cardstock. Oh, just got my finger in that. Perfect. And then I'm going to use the 1 3/4 inch circle punch to cut it out. 1 3/4. Now I'm going to put a heart. Let's see. Probably, that's good. I'm going to be putting a heart on it. I was trying to see that I left enough room for that. And now we're going to use a 2-inch circle punch, the 2-inch, and do this in lovely lipstick. And then I've already gone and cut out a scallop circle from the Layering Circles framelits. Now you could always just do, the punches if that's all you have. That still looks cute, but I think the white just kind of makes it pop there. So we'll go ahead and add our snail. Now what I did is I used our heart epoxy droplets, and I used our Stampin' Blends to color it. Let me put this under white here. Now this was the lovely lipstick, and I just, I think it still looks nice. It matches there, but I liked the cherry cobbler better. So let me just show you. I just took the thicker tip and just colored it. And because these are alcohol based, they dry really quickly. And that's it. For this box here, I used our pearls, and I practiced using the Flirty Flamingo Dark. This was the dark, and I just thought that was a little too much. So then I tried the light, and that's actually what this is. And at first I didn't even think it was doing it, but it was. So you just color the same thing, and then you've got, your pearls can be any color that we have our Stampin' Blends in. So I thought that's kind of fun. So we'll go ahead and put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of this one. that there on the front. And then our finishing touch will be to add this epoxy droplet. And I can see I probably could have gone over it a little bit more, so you could, once it's on there, you could still, oops. So be careful when you're putting it on. Maybe it's good to let it just sit for a few minutes, even though it dries pretty quickly. Okay, so there we have it, our little marshmallow treat box. I hope you'll give this box a try, and if you want to purchase any of the supplies, I have them listed on my blog or in the notes on YouTube. Take care. Bye-bye.